smaller countries take a clear stand on the Chinese proposal. Russia has vetoed the Western bid in the United Nations Security Council UNSC to condemn its annexation of Ukrainian territory. It's in Albania tabled a draft resolution at the UNSC condemning Russian referenda and annexation of 4 Ukrainian territories. Donetsk, Luhansk not get adopted. Among the 15 nations of the Council, 10 voted in favor of the resolution and 4, India, China, Gabon and Brazil abstained.
Over the past 75 years since independence, India's largest public service broadcaster, All India Radio, has been the proverbial storyteller for crores of people across the country. All India Radio is celebrating 75 years of freedom with the series Azad Bharat Ki Baat, Akashvani Ke Saath. It showcases the journey of India since independence in various walks of life through the storytelling of All India Radio. In today's episode, we bring you the story of Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Jan